Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Francisco Spagna. I am with Legal Shield, an agent for Legal Shield. I'm going to start off this morning before I get more into details of what I'm going to be talking about, the topic, and the things that are pertaining to the topic. First of all, or second of all, Legal Shield is affiliated with Parker Stanbury, which is in Los Angeles, California. It's a high-rise building up, I think, on 5th and Flower, within that area of Figueroa. Flower and Figueroa. It's called Parker Stanbury. There's over 70 attorneys up there to give you help in give you any legal advice for anything that you need answers for. They're very good lawyers. I've known maybe 2 or 3 of them for the last 15, 16 years. I'm also a customer with Legal Shield, so every time I have a problem, I go run to them for consultations. They do free wills. They write wills, power of attorneys, of course. They do that for free. Of course, you're going to have to get signatures from notary, which is not that expensive. If you have AAA, that's probably like $10. Get your documents ready. If anything happens to you, anything happens to your family, you're ready to go, man. Now, as you can see on the right hand side behind me, we have the United States American flag. So it's a good thing that we're in this country, because this is our freedom. And on the left hand side, you can see that I have a Legal Shield stand. ID Shield is one of the things that we have on the products listed in Legal Shield, and there's a whole bunch of other products there, along with the products that we have, like the things that Legal Shield is able to provide. We have Lady Justice back here. We have Legal Shield and Justice written in Latin, which is Roman. Then we have the other Legal Shield, the corporate office, which is right here. It's back east. Then right here we have all the things that we have that Legal Shield has to offer. They're all in line. I will get back to that, not today, but probably in the next few weeks, and I will be more than happy to share it with you. But today, what I'm going to go ahead and share this morning is what Legal Shield is able to do for you with real estate and real property law. So the definition of real estate and real property law is the legal definition of real estate and real property law is the land and the buildings on it. That is the definition of it. Real estate law governs who may own and who uses the land. That's what's governed by those properties. The definition. One second, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a second to give you this kind of help. The simple concept included a wide range of different legal disciplines. First, real estate may be either residential or commercial. It can be owned by one person but used by another through rental arrangements. Land can be bought or sold, and due to its high volume, there are many local laws that ensure real estate transactions and property performed and recorded land may also pass between members through estate planning or may be owned by more than one person. Finally, state and local governments have ruled concerning the purpose for which land may be used. For example, each plot Like land, each area of the land must be used according to local zoning laws, and landowners may not damage surroundings environments. So if you already own a home, you might have some idea of what I'm talking about, because it's written in some of the forms that you have to sign for their protection and for your protection for environmental reasons. That's number one. That's not all, but one to start with. The terms that you need to know: a legal term describing officially who owns the land. A mortgage is a loan that covers the price of a house. The new homeowner must give the lender partial ownership of the house as collateral. Foreclosure, which is the process by which the lender takes control of the house. And you can also find that in any website. You can go through real estate foreclosure for foreclosure and ask them questions. If the owner fails to pay back the mortgage, you can get those answers on the website. So, which is good. But there's a whole bunch of other things that describe what I'm talking about today. Some of the related topics for the real estate and property law is that real estate attorneys are not legally required at every transaction. However, hiring one can be very useful for the average of home buyers. So if you need any advice, once you find the product at Legal Shield, then you, of course, you go through the process of contacting them for whatever thing that you want to talk to them about. As far as this matter, they're there to help you. Real estate property, real estate law. So this can be very useful for average home buyers. First, real estate attorneys can review the house transaction history and title to ensure that the house is able to be sold and that no past owners will come back claiming to still own the house, or if you have fines on it, so which is a good thing. The second thing, many attorneys can advise homeowners regarding the review of the house, the transaction history, and the title to ensure that the house is able to be sold and that no past owners will come back claiming to still own the house. Secondly, many attorneys can advise homeowners regarding the mortgage options. Third, attorneys can help review the contract of sale to make sure that it is fair to all parties. Most real estate attorneys charge an hourly fee, although some charge a flat fee for their services. I believe that if you have a client relationship with your attorney, they might be able to help you out more than the 25% discount that they offer at Legal Shield. I don't know. I don't know what kind of situation you're in or you are at this point. So anyways, other related topics or areas, actually related areas that are consistent with real estate and property laws are tax law. Having real estate, particularly real estate that is mortgage, has a big impact on most family taxes. The taxes that you have to pay, like for example every year, taxes you have to pay every year, whether it's for mortgage or just taxes for other things that pertain to the house. Landlord-tenant law covers the law of renting real estate. Includes leases, rent, eviction, or both residential, commercial tenants, and many lawyers consider it as part of the real estate law. Accidents and injuries. Homeowners may be liable for injuries. You got to have insurance in your house. If you own a house, that would be the best thing that anyone can do as a homeowner, because if you're having a party, someone gets hurt, they can sue you. You got to cover for at least 100,000 would be good. It could be more, it could be less. I don't know. You don't want anyone suing you, knowing that you own this land, and they come into your property because it's not their property, and they can use that against you if they get hurt. So always be insured for any accidents or any injuries that will cover that. If you let anyone, even people that are working in your home, like if they're doing the lawn or they're working in your house, you got to have insurance, because if you're not protected with that, they can sue you, take away your house, and be out there homeless or out there doing some other stuff. I don't know. So it's always good to have that. Remember that, because it's a good thing to have that in your mind and understand what homeowners should have when you're buying a house or you own a house. Another thing, estate planning we're going to different estate planning. Some people are really concerned about keeping real estate within the estate, within the family. Estate planning attorneys can help them achieve those goals. Now, the last one would be the insurance law. Most landowners have homeowners insurance. Don't forget that. Homeowners insurance. Always try to get the cheapest quote, but the highest rate for the insurance, which protects the property against various types of damage. So, this was a good morning for me to all of you who are watching my video. When I post it on YouTube, please click thumbs up, click to share, and also please subscribe. If I haven't yet gone to that level, I will, because I'm barely getting everything in order with legal services. So you're helping me out, I help you out. Don't worry, I will be here every week with a different topic. And you can also email me. I think I'm on Facebook or YouTube for the Legal Shield email. I'll go once a week into the Legal Shield email, because I have other things that I need to do with my other jobs. This is my third job. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. If you want to go ahead and email me pertaining some of the things that I'm able to help you with, like talking about some of the issues that might arise that attorneys are not able to help you, and you feel that they're not going to help you if you buy the product, I can help you, or even direct you to a good lawyer. You know, after 15, 16 years being a customer, you kind of know the process. So anyways, like I said, I'm happy to be here for every one of you, help you with this legal services pertaining to real estate and property laws. My name is Francisco Spagno once again. You enjoy the rest of your day. Buongiorno. Arrivederci, and take care. See you again next week. Ciao. Goodbye.